honestly think that it looks delicious. The sauce looks great. Everything turned out beautiful. This is my version of Trader Joe's Cacio Pepe Ravioli. And now it's time to eat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is Neil, back with another video. And today, it's gonna be a really good one. We have the best seller from Trader Joe's. What it is, it's Trader Joe's Cacio e Pepe Ravioli. There it is, Cacio e Pepe Ravioli from Trader Joe's. This was the last one. I got lucky, we're all sold out. I got lucky, I picked up the last one, so I'm gonna make it today. It says it's made in Italy, actually. It's a little Italian flag. Thin stuffed black pepper pasta with ricotta and pecorino romano cheeses. Cooking instructions: 3 or 4 minutes in boiling water. Drain and toss with butter, olive oil, or your favorite sauce, and serve. I'm gonna make my butter sauce. It's gonna be way better than what they're suggesting. Nutrition facts: serving size 3, calories 220, total fat 9 grams, saturated fat 6 grams, cholesterol 50 milligrams, sodium 490 milligrams, carbohydrates 25 grams, fiber 1 gram, total sugars 5 grams, protein 8 grams. So this is it. This is Trader Joe's Cacio e Pepe. It's the best seller at Trader Joe's. And let's go make it. It actually looks very nice. It looks very good. Can't wait to eat it. We got the water boiling. Now we're gonna salt the water. As I always say in my pasta videos, wait till the water is boiling, then add the pasta, and then salt the water, and then add the pasta. So wait till the water is boiling, then add your salt, and then add the pasta. It's very important. Now we're gonna add the ravioli. So our pasta's done cooking. Gonna drain it. So we saved some of the pasta water, used it as a base for our sauce. So we have our butter, and we have pecorino romano cheese. So we're gonna add butter. And some garlic and herb butter to make it even more fun and tasty. Gonna mix that up. Gonna melt the butter. Add the ravioli. Pecorino Romano cheese. Gonna toss. Here it is, guys. This is my version of the Trader Joe's Cacio e Pepe Ravioli. Well, that took a minute to make. It wasn't too complicated. You just gotta prep it, and you'll be fine. There's a ravioli. It's delicious. It's very cheesy. I think they said that it had pecorino romano inside and maybe some Parmesan cheese. And I added pecorino romano into the sauce, plus butter, plus garlic and herb butter. Oh, it is delicious. If you can find this at Trader Joe's, it's sold out, basically. But if you get lucky and find it, buy it. You can pretty much put it in any sauce you want. You can put it in tomato sauce. You can put it in Alfredo sauce, or you can come up with your own sauce, as I did today. It's really, really delicious. Great tasting ravioli, cheese ravioli. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.